Hey Sarnia Lambton, when you're selling your home, you want to sell it for fast and for the best price possible. Here are 5 tips for renovations that will increase your property value. Number 1 is paint your walls. Paint is a powerful tool when it comes to livening up your home. Over the years, scuffs and marks will accumulate on your walls, especially if you have kids. A good paint job will hide marks while making rooms look vibrant, fresh, and extremely inviting, which is something you want when listing your home. Fresh paint is great in the buyer's mind since they know that means one less thing for them to have to do. Number 2 is remodeling the bathroom. If your bathroom is bland, worn down, chipped, troublesome, or just plain ugly, you should consider remodeling it. The best bathroom renovations usually will have you replace the tub and its surrounding tile, the floor, the toilet, and the sink, the vanity, and the light fixtures. On average, when you renovate your bathroom, you will see 102% of your investment back when you sell. If a big renovation is too daunting, try painting the walls, reglazing the bath, and getting modern light fixtures. Number 3 is remodeling the kitchen. Having an attractive kitchen is one of the most important renovations you can do. I've seen kitchens both make and break sales. Consider investing in new countertops, soft close drawers, and high quality stainless steel appliances. As well, a well thought out kitchen renovation is great for increasing property value. Number 4 is replacing the carpeting. In photos and video used for marketing your home, as well as during open houses and walkthroughs, worn down, outdated, stained, ripped, or smelly carpet simply repel buyers. A new carpet gives a home a brand new feel and smell. New carpet can have a very positive impact on your home value. And lastly, number 5 is do some landscaping. Gardens beautify your property, adding curb appeal and function for herb and veggie growers. Small or medium-sized gardens are perfect since buyers won't be intimidated by massive gardens requiring tons of upkeep. Stick to simple and classic garden designs as they tend to never go out of style. And consider putting in some full-size or ornamental trees or a patio. These are sure to add good value to your home while attracting buyers. Thanks for watching the top 5 renovations to increase your property value. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and put shine on your lawn.